Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how you can change notifications sound. You have to open settings, find sound and vibration. Right now you have to scroll down, find sound section and go for notification sound. As you can see, as a default is set up the new message VIP. It sounds like that. If you want to change it, for example for tweeters, just click here, and after that you can just go back. And as you can see, it's set up, so that's all. Yeah, there's also the harp, so we can change for this one. You can also mute notification sound, so there's be no any sound. You can also add your own notification sound. You can go for the file manager, and from the downloads or from the music, just pick file that you want to set up as your notification sound. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.